Hello guys, welcome to TrueWord once again. Let me show you the truth of back glass replacement. Let's say your back glass is shattered and you want to get it replaced. And you're going to some third party store or you're going to some Era store. Not to offend anyone, but some inexperienced guys who doesn't know how to handle the phones and their camera modules. So they use this back glass breaker pen, which is very popular, quite popular in in the process of back glass replacement. So let me show you. This is an duplicate back glass which have been installed on this. This costed us 200 rupees to buy this, and we have installed this using our laser machine. Now I'll try showing the breaker thing. So whenever they replace the back glass, they do this. See, one shot and it's gone, guys. Imagine the impact and shock this thing is sending to you. I'll show you by testing this on a wall, and you'll understand what kind of shock it is sending to your camera lens. And this is an original back glass. Let me show you what this does to your original back glass. This is what Apple standard is, guys. This is what Apple standard is. This is in sapphire glass, and this is 200 rupees market OG glass. So you'll understand the difference. You know what to choose next time. And the part 2 of this video would be showing you this impact on a wall, literally on a wall, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing this.